Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning down here. So then come to this list here, you click on your name and come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just return to open video. It's going to take a time. Then you click here on notifications and you come to this list. You click here on hearing someone. Then you click here on service page projects here. Then you come here to allow project work notifications. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean disable it with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.